grow.
I'm sure I can.
Just go as quietly as we can. The woods are full of perspires. In fact, some of the trees are on her side. You know your way from here, daughter of Eve?
Yes, I can see the wardrobe door.
And the other